Welcome to Think a Bit. I'm Joe King. And today is a very, very special day today. It is Bitcoin's birthday. Bitcoin turned 13 today. Well, actually, Bitcoin was conceived in October 2008, but it was birthed January 3rd, 2009. The first Bitcoin was made. I can't believe it's still around. The reason I say that is because it's so horrible for the environment. I mean, can't we find something better for... do you know, this is a real fact I'm going to show you guys. It consumes more power than the whole country of Ireland in a year. Take a look at this. Ireland consumes approximately 5,000 kilowatts of electricity each year. Bitcoin mining, if all the miners combined, consumed about 60 terawatt hours of electricity, which is approximately about 6 times 1,010. So around 6,060 kilowatt hours of electricity. So we can see the effect it's having on the environment, right? So how long do we have to put up with this crap? That's what we should be asking ourselves. And I have the answer. The last Bitcoin will be mined in 2140. So we got another 120 years of killing the environment. We can't keep doing it. So either we got to speed up this mining process or find a better coin, because we can't keep taking up 6,000 kilowatt hours each year just for some Bitcoin when it's not even good to use for transactions. Look at this. Can you believe this? Do you know how much it costs to buy a pizza with Bitcoin? On May 22nd, it cost 10,000 Bitcoins to purchase a pizza. Now that's way too much. I think it's because Bitcoin's so slow, even with the Lightning Network. Transactions take such a long time, and that the people have to overcharge you. Look, the pizza was only worth $41. It says it right there. But someone had to pay $10,000 for it because it's so slow. That's around $25.8 million. So it's not, we can't use it as currency. I feel bad for the people of El Salvador because they're trying to use it like as a currency down there. And you see how much people have to pay for pizzas here in the USA. I wonder El Salvador how much they're going to be charging for tacos down there. All right, let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin right now is $46,500. Now, what is your guys' Bitcoin prediction price for the year? Price prediction for the year. Write down what you think it's going to reach in 2022. I want to hear about all your predictions and put a fun Bitcoin fact down in the comments. All right, Bitcoin, happy birthday. I wish you a lot more to come. And that's it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Bitcoin.